Maybe Sue is mad as hell, so mad anyone can tell. Who could be so half in rude to make a baby girl so mad? What could have been just a shitting day? Her pretty boss being jar of her money, all the time paid. Wasn't him man Sunday? She drove for a while. Harry love, quick to come, another loser guy. Then there was her friend Sally, such a fine long-time girl. Morning sexy looks for sure. Tony had all the day. The story as a whole has time in a million different ways. Every other word is turning, just an endless storm. Keep your spirit high. Your mama heard I always say, believe in time, won't you? Never doubt, don't you? Keep my want you along the way. Peggy Sue is fed up, heading to the girls. Wants her fun, wants her thrills, don't want no damn delay. What's you gonna do? Where's she gonna go?